So, what's going on YouTube? In today's video today, we're going to set up your PlayStation 2 to TCL Roku thing, with sound, with the TV. So, well, basically, you need your, TC Roku TV. Before I get to that, let me go over the components still, and then come this pretty easy. So first things first, you need your AV cable to your PlayStation 2, and that way you'll get picture and sound. So the shop that went into the last couple days and then had that cable, so I just pick up the AV cable to my PlayStation 2. uh you also need your power cable, power cords, and you need your power brick to your PlayStation. And why some noise, guys? I need my DualShock 2 controller, DualShock 2 controller, my PlayStation 2, and that's all you need. So yeah, basically, guys, I using my TLC, Roku thing. We used to watch Roku when we have a Wi-Fi. That was a long time ago, guys. In my PlayStation 2. So yeah, let me go over. I'm gonna set up here, cause I want to sit down my chair and watch TV, watch some movies, and have me a snack. Yeah, that's that about it. So let's get started. I don't know if I'm telling you no or not. So first, let me plug in my power in. I'll set it up. And thing. My power brick. I'll set the camera now. It's awesome. This ports. I need to plug in my power. And we need this power cable. We need to get power. So you plug in like this. There you go. And we'll plug it into the wall. Or multi-plug. Multi-plug. Multi-plug him in. You see, there is a red dot right there. Then PlayStation 2 is ready and ready to work. Why so now? Wait. hook up your AV cable. AV cable. So we'll put that in. So the PlayStation 2 Slim is done. For now, you gotta match up the colors. Your TV, the Roku thing, Roku TV. Here it is. We're going to connect the red, white, and yellow. You ready? So red to red, white to white, and yellow to yellow. Come on. Come on. There we go. There you go. AV cable is all plugged in. So let me get my memory card. Memory card, my chart. I'll go back. Sorry. Put in a chart. And my memory card. There you go. Oh, it's on my camera. So guys, I'm back, and again, let me kick the handle, and we're all set up. Go to the correct input. AV. It's fine now. So let's turn on the PlayStation 2 Slim. And that does work on the menu. Let me change the picture. Go into settings, TV settings, picture settings. Cause picture. Now I need to select pictures side. There you go, it's all fixed. And let's just do it. Let me test out the sound thing. That go. So hopefully you guys can hear it. But yeah, it is now working fine, guys. So yeah, I hope guys enjoyed this video. Hope it helps. And thank you guys for watching. Bye. Stay tuned for our next video. Bye.